Stop. If you have money in your pocket right now, you are losing it, not spending it, losing it. There's a thief stealing from you every single day, and you can't see it. It doesn't break into your house or touch your wallet, but over time, it makes you poorer. You earn more than before, yet it still feels like it's not enough. Expenses rise, savings feel smaller. You're working hard, but not getting ahead. That's not bad luck. That's inflation. Here's the simplest way to see it. Today, 100 taka buys a decent meal. A few years later, that same meal costs 150, maybe 200. Same money, less value. So even if your cash stays the same, life gets more expensive, slowly and quietly. If your income isn't growing, you're not standing still, you're moving backward. Saving money without growing it is like filling a bucket with a hole. It leaks. After years watching this happen, the truth is clear. Your biggest enemy isn't spending. It's money that doesn't grow.
If you ignore this, 10 years from now, your savings might look exactly the same. Same number, same balance. But your life will feel twice as expensive. Rent, groceries, insurance, everything quietly costs more while your money stands still. That's how people feel poorer without ever seeing a loss. And here's the scary part. Inflation is just one invisible thief. It steals slowly, silently, and most people barely notice. But it's not alone. Fees skim your growth, taxes take more than you expect, cash sitting idle falls behind, debt compounds the wrong way. None of these send warnings. They just drain you in the background. In part 2, I'll show you how to fight back, how smart people set up their money to protect itself, grow over time, and stop leaking value. Not shortcuts, not hype. Just systems that work. If you don't want to stay stuck, make sure you watch the next video.